Hi friends, today we'll make Spider-Man web shooters that you can also make at your home with household supplies.
To begin with, we need a few syringes. So here we've got 2 ml, then 3 ml, and then we have 5 ml, and of course the maximum capacity 10 ml. So here I'll choose 2 and 5 ml. We'll keep them aside, and now let's work on these. We also need the needles that come along with these syringes, and now let me show you what we need to do next. And now we are done with covering the top with this tape. And now we need this fat 6 cm long pipe, and the reason why I'm using this fat pipe is because this also would store some amount of sanitizer in this, which will be really nice. So let's just connect it here, and before connecting the other end to this, we'll knock off the front because the front is closed. So as you can see, now we've got an opening, and the length is such that even if I put my finger in this, unknowingly the needle won't grab on my skin, and now it's totally completely safe. You just need to glue a little bit of this portion to actually prevent this from opening, and then we'll just put this pipe in this opening. So just like this. Now we can apply some glue over here to seal the joint. After we are done with this step, now we need to take the dispo van or the syringe. Just keep it like this and fold the pipe or with the needle just like that. We can take the measurements, we can take the required measurements. If you've missed another video of mine in which I made a similar one, you can see the thumbnail, and you can also visit that video, links in the description, in which I made similar kind of Spider-Man web shooters.
And now we need to make something like this, and to make it, we'll hold it in with a paper clip. So first we need to take a paper clip and just unfold it, or bend it in such a way that it covers the top, and then bring the other one. And then I know it requires some pressure because it's really hard, but once you are done with that, it would be really sturdy and it won't move at all. So you can just follow the instructions on the screen and make your own contraption. When we're done, it will look something like this.
Next up, I just took these 2 pieces of duct tape, 3 long ones to cover my hand, and I just stick them like this.
And so this way it won't actually stick, and the sticky part is only exposed on the sides, which we'll later cover with Velcro. And guys, finally the web shooters are ready. Any one of you guys watching this with little to no experience of designing or even DIY can make this. So this is really simple, and I decided to make this and design this so that each of you can actually get the Spider-Man web shooters, and also you can make something which is useful, because here this actually dispenses sanitizer. So you fill it up with sanitizer. Each place that you actually go to, you can just press the lever and sanitize that particular place. Okay guys, I've filled it up with hand sanitizer, and for example, if you are touching a surface, you can just push on this lever and it will sanitize. If you have some electronics lying around, just do that and the sanitizer will evaporate, killing all the bacteria and germs. And guys, also after some testing, it can provide about 18 seconds of continuous sanitization, and this one about 35. It can sanitize about 30 things or 30 doorknobs, and this one about 60, because this is almost double the quantity. That's 3 ml, that's 6 ml. So yeah, this is a really nice life-saving device which you can make and which is really useful. Now let me show you how to load it. So here I have some hand sanitizer. I'll use the Zippo one and fill it. And now I've got it ready. Let's remove this. Put it in. Apply the cap back on. It should be ready to shoot. So although guys, we have seen how this works, but right now we'll test the range. So yeah, let's do it. As you can see, you can hear the sound. It's really strong. While the force, I mean, it actually delivers it with a lot of force. And guys, now we'll test the other one with the maximum capacity, the 6 ml one. As you can see,